Parul Chopra Button, Senior Consultant Obstetrician and Gynecologist. And with me today is Dr. Gopal Agarwal, our Senior Consultant Neonatologist and Pediatrician. So together today, we're going to be focusing in this session on post-delivery care, which is essentially the most important part of the pregnancy and care of the mother after childbirth, care of the baby after childbirth.
Why is postnatal care important to the mother, and what should we not do after delivery?
Okay, so the mother or the woman of the family, I strongly believe, is the foundation of the family. It is your health, it is your education, it is your well being that really lays the foundation for a healthy and thriving family. Uh, Very, very important for the mother after delivery to be supported in in regaining her full health, in fact, getting fitter than what she was prior to her pregnancies. So many women these days, in fact, there are women whom I have delivered not once but even twice, who've now gotten fitter than what they were even prior to having their first child. And that is so wonderful to see. Having a child, having a new baby in your family, really, it ups the motivation that we have to get fitter, healthier, so that we can best look after our family and we can really live this life to the fullest. Postnatal care, like I said, involves a good balance of proper nutrition, rest, activity, proper hygiene, so that the mother's body, which has gone through so many changes through the 9 months, gradually over the next 6 to 12 weeks after delivery, recovers, regains back. The calcium deposits are to be regained back. There's some blood loss which happens during delivery that needs to be regained back. The hormonal changes happen. Now that she's breastfeeding, a lot of energy gets expended in breastfeeding, and I hope all our new mothers are exclusively breastfeeding, especially for the first 6 months after delivery. So, since you're now breastfeeding your baby, further important that you look after your health. The better your nutrition is, the better your mental and emotional well being is, the better you can look after yourself, your baby, and so on for the family. I've seen a very close relation between the mother's sense of well being and the well being of the baby. Of course, I think Dr. Gopal will conquer about the baby's side. Very, very important for the mother to be as relaxed, comfortable, confident, stable, feeling refreshed, feeling adequate in her abilities to look after the baby. There are certain emotional conditions that happen after birth. We see postpartum blues. Sometimes we see a severe form called postpartum depression or postpartum psychosis. And besides the neonatologist and the gynecologist, we have psychological help and psychological colleagues, psychiatrists, and their team who can also, contribute to the care of the mother at this time. So postnatal care, I don't think its importance can be overstressed. It is the most important time in a family when a new member has arrived, and the one person who's most critical to the care of this newborn baby is the mother. In fact, we have scientific studies to say that babies who are separated from the mother or for some unfortunate reason are not with their birth mothers, uh, they not only have long-term risk of certain illnesses in life, but in fact, their chances of survival go down significantly if the mother is not well or not emotionally, physically present in their lives as she should be. So I would just take this opportunity to appeal to all families to really, really look after the mothers, really support them in this new role, and the care that you provide to the family, to the mother at this time, goes a long way in ensuring and paying back. You know, the return on investment is huge to the family, to the society, and to the world as at large.
Yeah, so I always say my first visit that till the point baby is born, we always take consider the baby as a part of our body. Moment baby is born, the whole focus shifts to the baby, and everybody forgets the mother. But if the mother is healthy, baby will be healthy. That's the simple concept I always try to convey to our parents. Yeah.